Holy moly, just a quick lunch break here, you guys. Check this, let me give you guys a quick tour of my lunch spot. It's a nice spot. I've camped here before. I'm not going to camp here tonight. I'm going a little further. Yeah, that's cold. Gonna be a beautiful day though. Sun's already up on the mountain there. I'm going exploring over here. Can't wait to show you guys this stuff. Wow, beautiful. Wow. Wow. This is crazy. Well, you guys, that's painful. This is a video reminder of these three trees, because one of them, pretty sure this tall one now owns my drone. And I was very close to locating it because it beeps. It has Find My Drone, and I was literally on top of it and it stopped beeping. Oh, you don't know how heartbreaking that is. Look at this, where I am right now. I was so excited to bring a drone. This is an old abandoned copper mine, and I'm riding on the slag right now. It's pretty crazy, to be honest, but oh, that makes you sick, doesn't it? And it's my fault completely. I shut the warning thing off because you can go a lot faster. I was way over there by the smokestack, and I wanted to get across here fast, and it goes faster when you're in the high performance, like the... And then I turned it around backwards, and I was backing it up to get a good long run at this, and backed it right into the trees. My bad. Expensive lesson learned. This just blows my mind. I don't know, it's slag, so essentially it's like molten glass, kinda. Like it sounds like glass. I don't know if I should be climbing these gnarly spots like that, but think we'll go up and take a look at the tower. I'm not quite sure. It's got to do with how they melted down the copper or something. I guess they were... If you guys want to learn about this stuff, it's called Hell's Bells. That's what they call these things. There's hundreds of them out here. You can see the whole row of them. Okay, let's go explore that smokestack. That's pretty cool. I think back in here is where they had all the fire things, like for the kiln. I guess it's kiln. Is that what you call it? A kiln? Pretty neat, I gotta be honest. Let's go have a little look up here. Super cool. That's big, whatever it is. What a neat sight. This is craziness. Look at this. I'll flash up some stuff about this thing, you guys, on the internet, or from the internet. I was reading a little bit about it myself, and it's something like 250,000 bricks to build that. Like 250,000 bricks. That's craziness. This is really cool. Look at that tiny bit of bricks holding it together there. That's nuts. This is actually a little bit sketchy, and I don't want to be in here too long because those bricks can come down on your head. Wow, hey? History. Graffiti for you. Nobody coming. That's pretty cool. So cool. Skateboard ramp in there in case you need to do some skateboarding. Here, we'll do my fly through I had planned with the drone. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm sick about that. I was gonna fly it through here, just get some epic shots. I guess this will have to be my fly through. It'll have to do, it'll have to do. It is pretty painful though. You got to admit. Cool location though. I love that sound. What a beautiful scene. I've never honestly seen trees like these. Well, I kind of have. They're just bigger than I normally see. They're almost deserty. And there's this old weird structure over here that's obviously pretty old because there's a tree growing through it. Beautiful. We're on the hunt for another waterfall. I think it's right down there. Oh, cool. Oh yeah, there it's gonna be right over there. Yeah, the waterfall. Oh, there it is. we will get a better vantage point over here, I think. All right, now we take the world's sketchiest trail. And by sketchy, I mean mega sketchy. Try not to trip, try not to trip. Oh yeah. Oh, we can see the, yeah, this is a little, oh my gosh. Oh, you guys. Ah, it's more like it. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Oh my goodness, yikes. Yeah, that's a better vantage point. Beautiful. You can get a few shots. Oh, that's freaky. Beautiful, beautiful waterfall here. Good spot to close out the video. I appreciate you guys checking out all my stuff. Definitely drop some comments. Let me know what you guys have been up to. Lots more stuff coming in the future. Right on, brat.